Okay, I've got a question for everybody in this audience. You, sir, how do you communicate?
With my eyes.
With your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. How do you communicate?
With my hands.
Hands, eyes, hands, good.
I text.
Oh, God, I can't call out. Okay,
Yeah,
text.
I text all the time.
Okay, can we shout out some more options?
Voice.
Voice.
With my chin.
Chin.
Email.
Email.
Letters.
Letters.
Facial
What was that one about?
Nose.
Nose, good, my favourite.
Okay.
Maresa, how do you communicate? I communicate like this. All you hear is the tap. My hand in another's. Close, but distant. To touch or demolish. My thoughts are my own. But when touched, connect. I suspend the touch. Disconnect in my head. The thoughts return. All you hear is the tap. And then we're going to do a discussion type thing that we've not at all planned yet. So,
Woo woo!